In today's tutorial, we're setting up the XML Sitemap module inside Admin Optimizer. An XML sitemap serves as a direct roadmap for search engines like Google and Bing, making sure all your pages get found and indexed properly. Most site owners resort to installing bloated SEO plugins just for this single task. Admin Optimizer keeps things fast and lightweight by handling sitemap creation natively, complete with built-in static caching to keep your server fast. To get started, simply navigate to the main XML Sitemap tab inside Admin Optimizer. Right at the top, you'll find the Sitemap URL field. WordPress normally generates sitemaps at wp-sitemap.xml. Here, you can easily change that custom slug to match whatever URL structure you prefer. Moving down, you have granular control over what actually gets indexed. Select the exact post types, like posts, pages, or custom docs, and taxonomies you want included. You can also exclude entire categories if you want to keep private or internal content hidden from search bots. Scrolling further down, you'll see the maximum entries setting set to 2,000 by default. If your site has thousands of articles, Admin Optimizer splits them into smaller, organized sitemap files so search engine crawlers never time out when visiting your site. To make discovery completely effortless for web crawlers, check Add Sitemap to Robots.txt file. This automatically points search bots directly to your sitemap whenever they inspect your domain. Now, here is where Admin Optimizer truly stands out: static sitemap caching. Traditional plugins dynamically run database queries every single time a crawler requests your sitemap. Enabling this option generates static XML files instead, drastically cutting down server load and delivering instant responses. You can adjust how frequently that static file regenerates using the cache duration box, which is set to 24 hours by default. If you're already using other tools to mark specific pages as Noindex, toggle this checkbox. It guarantees that any hidden posts are automatically excluded from your sitemap, preventing indexing conflicts. Once your main configuration is complete, hit Save Changes to apply your settings. Now let's switch to the Google News Sitemap tab. If you publish timely articles, news, or press releases, a dedicated Google News sitemap helps your content appear rapidly in Google News feeds. The main layout and caching options mirror the main Sitemap tab, except for one key detail: the publication name field. Here, make sure to enter your exact official brand name as registered in Google Publisher Center so that search engines properly attribute your publications. And that is all there is to it. By replacing resource-heavy SEO plugins with Admin Optimizer's lightweight, cached XML sitemap module, you give search engines a fast, reliable path to crawl your website while keeping your WordPress site performing at its absolute best.